Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on email feature digest of all loop notifications sent in OneDrive. So how to turn on email feature digest of all loop notifications sent in OneDrive. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. Just point the cursor to the right of the screen. Here there are several menu icons. Tap this setting menu. And a menu will appear below like this. Tap the option menu. Now here you will enter the setting menu. Here there are lots of options. Tap the notification menu. Now here there are several options that you can change. On the email digest of all loop notifications sent menu, tap to activate it. Activating this feature is to activate the email summary for all loop notifications in OneDrive, making it easier to monitor in one email. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on email feature digest of all loop notifications sent in OneDrive. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.